Right, let's make this part an inventor. We're looking at a cylindrical shape, and so we're going to have to revolve this part. And because it's a revolve, we have to identify the profile shape and the axis. Well, the axis is easy. The axis is a line that runs straight up the middle of the shape like that. And the profile is going to be the rest of this shape right here. So this is what we're going to draw, this is what we're going to sketch, and we're going to spin it or revolve it around the green axis. Let's try and get some sizes here. So our top line right here is going to be half, because it's a radius, of that diameter, half of 36. And our bottom line across here is going to be half of 24, 12. And our overall height of our axis is going to be 25. We're going to ignore this kind of hole that's been cut out of the shape. We'll do that afterwards. Over in Inventor, I have an empty brand new scene, brand new part. I'm going to start a sketch on the front work plane like this. And I'm going to take my line tool. I'm going to start off by drawing the axis from the origin, and we're going to stick a line in up there. And we're going to come out, and we're going to slope back down, and we're going to connect that up. Because a revolve tool needs a closed profile, let's now use our dimension tool to figure out some of these sizes. So the overall height we were looking for was 25. The size up here was going to be 36 divided by 2. Now you can either do that in your head, or within Inventor you can type 36 divided by 2. And down here we've got 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Everything else is fine. We can now finish this sketch. Let me zoom out a little bit. And we'll go ahead and we'll use the Revolve tool. The Revolve tool already knows what profile we're going to use, and it's waiting on us to select an axis. That's going to be that line right there. And we'll accept OK. And we've made the conical part. We've got a hole to cut out from the top of it. Let's go and look at the sizes there. So we're told that the diameter of the hole is 16, and we can see from the plan view that it's centered bang on the origin of the world. And it goes down to a depth of 16. So it's 16 across, 16 down, and right in the middle of the shape. Let's start our sketch on the top surface. And handily, because we've built a revolve properly, we've got access to the origin right there. We grab our circle tool, and we put in a circle which is 16 millimeters in diameter. We finish that. We extrude. We don't want to add material. Instead, what we want to do is subtract material to a depth of 16 millimeters. And we click OK. And that is how we revolve and extrude that particular shape.